This photograph is called Don't Sing Glory Before Victory. This photograph is taken by Brian Aruba, and this reflects many layers of historical experiences. Many of these historical experiences were part of the many generations of governments and politics consequences, and also how and where this took the island to, the very much internal difficulties that came with it, the island, the people, and also how does the politics affect the Aruban people, and how that reflects the patriotism on the island, and also the generations who understand the real difficulty behind the democracy that I actually think that doesn't really is not really functioning the way it's supposed to. And also because of that power, because of that seat, you know, because of that form of guiding an island, guiding a place, a country, and its people. It's not easy, of course. It never has been easy, but also because of being part of the Dutch Caribbean, there is not a space that is being, there's not a space, there's not any comprehension towards the money comes from someplace else, and it's been given to here, but it's money that needs to be paid back. You know, it's not money that it's a gift. You know, it's not money that is not being valued as to be invested in a healthy manner, in a more positive manner, in a more in a matter of helping, supporting the society's people, the people living on this island, and how there is no transparency for that, you know, that things have been, the situation on this island has been very, very, very crucial, very unstable, and has been influencing many families, many lives on this island, to a fact that it's been horrible, you know, and that, you know, of course we can receive money from the motherland, and then what are you going to do with that money? How are you going to invest it? How are you going to help? How are you going to create new work? How are you going to help the people on this island? The cost of living, the cost of everything on this island is so expensive. Everything is expensive. All the prices are moving up. And the salaries are not going up. They say the same, and then everything is so expensive on this island. Even people, even tourists who come from abroad say that this island is very expensive. And then, how are you gonna take it from there? How can people live on a certain moment? How is this gonna affect the economy? How this is gonna affect work and everything that surrounds it? What's next now? Do you have a plan? Is there a plan? Is there a strong and willing understanding for the society and its people? Is that so? That is my question.